Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison of VO3 and Runway ML. Actually, we want to look at their pricing plans. We're actually going to compare just their pricing plans. We've done the comparison of their features in the last video. So let's look at their pricing plans. You see, let's start from Runway AI. Runway AI subscription options offers more flexibility than pricing that can align with different needs and budgets. Its balance of quality, features, and pricing makes it appealing to a wide range of content creators. When we look at the plan type, we have the free trial, the basic plan, and the pro plan. Under the free trial, monthly costs about $0. The features are it has limited features for exploration. The basic plan costs about $15 and gives you access to essential tools and exports, while the pro plan costs about $35 and gives you advanced features and higher output quality. So the Runway AI is particularly effective for creators needing consistent output across various content types. So if you are contemplating the commercial use of Runway AI, consider looking into the details of it. Can you actually use it? Now let's look at that of VO3, the pricing plan. VO3 was developed by Google, is positioned as a premium choice for serious creators. The pricing structure reflects its advanced capability and features which are integrated into the Gemini platform. The plan we have is called the Google AI Ultra, and its monthly cost is $249, and the features you can get from it is native audio generation, studio grade features, and high quality video outputs. The cost may seem steep, but it is very suited for professional users who require high quality features for impactful video production. So when it comes to their pricing, as you can see, both platforms present unique pricing strategies designed for different user levels and purposes. So evaluating your specific requirements will help you determine which service is most compatible with your creative needs. Hope you found this video helpful.